All right, so question number 8. Patrick is going on a 1,500-mile road trip with 2 friends. The car he is driving consumes 6 gallons of gas every 100 miles, and gas costs $3.84 per gallon. If Patrick and his friends split the cost of gas evenly, how much should each person pay for gas? Okay, so let's start walking through this problem here and underlining our important information. So, going sentence by sentence, Patrick is going on a 1,500-mile road trip with 2 friends. So it looks like that 1,500 miles is going to be important, along with Patrick and 2 friends. So we know there's 3 people total in this problem. So moving on to the next sentence, the car he is driving consumes 6 gallons of gas every 100 miles. So let's just stop there. I think that the 6 gallons of gas every 100 miles is going to be important in order to figure out how many gallons of gas his car will need in order to make this 1,500-mile road trip. And then finishing off that sentence, gas costs $3.84 per gallon. So I think that $3.84 per gallon is going to be important in order to see how much he's going to pay. All right, so my first step here, we need to figure out how many gallons of gas his car will need total for this entire road trip. So the first thing we got to do is divide our 1,500-mile road trip by 100 to see how many 6 gallons of gas he'll need. So when we do that, we're going to end up getting, let's see, 100 doesn't go into 1. Doesn't go into 15. It goes into 150 one time. So we'll subtract that, and we're left with 50. Bring down my 0 here. 100 goes into 500 5 times. And when we subtract that, we'll have a remainder of 0. Okay. So now I have a 15 there, and I need to multiply that times 6 because the car consumes 6 gallons every 100 miles. So we need to multiply 15 times 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 would be 90. So it looks like his car will consume 90 gallons of gas for this trip. So then my last step here, well, close to the last step, we need to figure out how much that will cost in order to buy those 90 gallons. So we need to multiply here. We have 384 times 90. All right, so 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 3 would be 75. Carry my 7. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 7 would be 34. And then I need to make sure that I move my decimal over twice because I have 2 numbers after my decimal. So it looks like the total cost of gas here will be $345.60. However, my question is asking how much would each person pay if they split the gas evenly. So my very, very last step, I need to divide my $345.60 by 3. All right, so 3 goes into 3 one time. Subtract that. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. Keep going here. 3 doesn't go into 1, so bring down my 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. And lastly, 3 goes into 6 2 times. So it looks like each person will pay $115.20